It's gonna be May. Sorry for the cringe meme, but it is May 1st. We're at Red Rock, and we're ready to have some fun with Mayyy again. Why not? Why not win a bonus today? Why not win a grand bonus today, I should say. You know, here we go. Maxi is good. Major is good. I hope you all are good. Oh, that's it. Oh, come on. You could have done this. Why are you petting your little doggy over there? Oh my goodness. Come on. Oh my god, what are these numbers to start? This is really... That's $150 to start, and he keeps showing up at the top. You see him. I mean, he's not showing up, but he's peeking through. Of course, we need him to come through, but it could randomly trigger at any given point. I don't know. Maybe we'll bounce around bets. We've been having a lot of battles with Mayyy. It's been a lot of fun, but it's been a lot of, oh my god, that's a good one too. Come on, do something. It's been a lot of epic battles, a lot of epic struggles, a lot of fun. You know, we get to show you. Oh my god, do it! Is this the one, people? We've been showing you a lot of the ups and downs with Mayyy. There's been a lot of ups. There's been a lot of losses. A lot of fun. A lot of symbols showing up, that's for sure. Well, what does it all mean? This game has so many different ways of popping the bonus, like right now. It's one of those huge green ones that you kept showing. Why? Why? Oh my god, guys. It does this. This is the love-hate relationship with this game. I'm glad I can show, you know, what can happen when you win big on this game and how much it can tease you. Like, why does it show that right there? Those are the progressives, by the way. Maxi looks pretty decent. So many dead spins. Yeah, and you show up now, buddy. We've had so many crazy wins and so many like crazy losses, like where it shows like those Mr. Mummy and then nothing happens, you know? Come on. And we've had so many terrible free games. Some good ones. We had some good ones at the airport, remember? That was pretty fun. That was random too. We were waiting for our flight and then we had a fun airport session. Come on. Okay, they keep growing, but our money keeps disappearing. That's the opposite of where we want to be going, you know? We don't want to get these big for somebody else. Hello? Oh, that's pretty good. I mean, one more. $9.90. Okay. We'd love, it's just one, like that 1 week or so, we were just hitting cash like every single time. It just seemed like, dude, it seemed so like destined, you know? We were getting the rumbles, first spin bonuses, all the good things. Let's go back to 2 cents where magic was kind of happening. I mean, it was not really magic if nothing's happening, but we saw those huge numbers on the green gems. Oh, whoops. Hello? Did I mention it's a beautiful day in Las Vegas today? Because it is. Regardless of the pain Mayyy has been making us run through. Come on. Something. We We can only handle so much, Mr. Mummy. You know that, right? It's so mean when it gives all those green emeralds, and they're huge values, and then you finally get him showing up on the first reel, and then nothing shows up, then it shows up later. You know, it's just like, why? Why do that to him, man? See, there we go, so huge, all three. I'll wait. So this is 2 cents, so mind you, that's $75 on a 150 bet. Like, it's showing signs of something. $10 more bets. Yeah, you've been very mean to us. $3. Oof. Do it now. Okay. You could have done this, Mr. Mummy. 3 more at 150, and then maybe we'll figure out what to do after this. Hello? Nope. 240 back there. Last spin. Should we go? What would 150 be? So 120 left. Let's go to 1 cent. Wouldn't this be magic? The last spin. It can happen. On the last spin, let's cash collect. Okay, cash collect. I can wait. I think I waited long enough. Okay. So let's go find another game. That was crazy. It was showing a lot of promise with those gems, but of course it doesn't matter unless they actually hit. So this is the magic of Mo Mummy. It can be very magical. I have yet to get a grand on it, but we'll still try. All right, see you in the next one. Mo Mummy. It is beautiful May, Las Vegas. Let's get a first spin bonus. 375. No, nothing of the sort. Now, okay. Us and Mo Mummy, we have a love-hate relationship. I don't know why he seems to not love us anymore. But we do our best. We do our best. And can you return the favor? Oh, whoops. Can you return the favor? Let's go back over here. We saw some huge numbers over here. On the gems, they were just showing like $100, $75. It's really sad we don't even get one gem. Do it. Do it. You can do it. Come on. We just need the major. I'm asking for too much. Bam, bam. Okay, finally something. Please be cash collect. Cash collect. Green. Big green. Okay, that's a good one. Big green. That's what we needed. Thank you. Cash collect. Okay. 2 cent denom, 150 bet. Magic. Magic ensue, please. It's a good first value. We're in about like 170 so far. So we'd like to see some more. Lovely day. It's May. It's gonna be May. It's gonna be our turn. Whoops. What the heck? I didn't know you could fast spin. That was an accident. More. Oh, okay. The fast spin led to 3. All right. The fast spin maybe changed our timing. That was definitely an accident, people. We'd love to get it here. Just move on to the next one right now. Yes, another big one. Okay, we missed on some of those, but it's good. We have 2 spins here, and then 3 more, I believe, right? Yeah. Okay. So we're moving with 5 to the next level. Let's go. Land some progressives. Green. Hello. Remember, this is all times 2 at this point, so we'd love to see Excuse me? I don't like any of that. Okay, Mr. Mummy. I just had a silent talk with him. He knows. This is unheard of. We need 4 on 2 spins. I don't know why everything just stopped, but who knows. I've never seen one so bad in terms of how we got to the second level and then how little the like anything hitting inside, even inside of his little square. But let's go 1 spin for 5. Even the mini was right there. Was it 20? Okay, 60. All right, they're still down, but it is what it is. Okay, $60. Wham, wham. Oof, that was kind of brutal. The first one was good, but started out nice. Oh, what the heck is a wild in the first one? Yeah, we could have used to do a lot more in the last time. All right, we on to the next one.